In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a school homepage on Teachable. By the end of this video, you will know how to customize your Teachable school homepage. Inside your admin account, go to Site, and here you can edit different settings of your school theme, like logo, the text, font, colors, and so on. Then, in order to edit the homepage of your school, go to Pages. If you want to preview how your homepage looks at the moment, click on Preview. And this is the homepage of your school. Now we have to edit it. Before that, you need to know what's the purpose of the school homepage. This is the page that presents what is your school about. You can include here different types of information regarding you, your school, the courses, and how can the visitors benefit after enrolling in one of your courses. You can include testimonials from past clients or students, but include only real testimonials or don't put them at all. Here you want to present your potential students why it is an awesome idea and what are the benefits they could expect in joining your school and courses. So this is some general information that you should include in your school homepage. Now let's edit the homepage. To do that, click here, and here on the left you can see the blocks this page is made up at this point. A banner, a text block, and two images with text blocks. If you want, you can add more image blocks by clicking here. You can arrange these blocks by dragging them in whatever order you want. So let's edit the banner now. Here you can select the source of the files you want to upload, and in the custom sources you can select different photos provided for you inside Teachable. And as my school is supposed to be a meditation school, I'll select something that is linked to the niche of my school, that is meditation. Let's select this photo. And voila! Now let's write the proper school name. And here, let's write a short intro about our school. Join me, or I can just put a benefit for the visitors if they enroll in my school. Just to be clear again, I'm making this up. When you do this, you should analyze this and write down things linked to your own online school. Here you should include your message to your target audience. Then here, you have the option of not showing the enroll button, but I recommend to leave it here. You can also customize the text, and here you can select the URL or the place a visitor should be taking after clicking this button. Here we have some design settings that you can adjust, and of course you can customize the text colors. Let's preview what we got so far. That's pretty cool for the amount of time we spend on this. Now let's edit the next text block. Select it, and you can see which block you are editing on your page. Let's write something about what students can learn in this school. You can also choose a color and design the text as you wish. The next block is an image with text block. Here you can select an image. Let's say this section can be hosting a testimonial from a student. Let's search for an image that could reflect that testimonial. This could work. And here you can put the actual testimony. For now, I'm going to make one up. Then select a color, and maybe one that fits with the image. And here you can select the image position. The next block should contain a photo of you if you want, and a short presentation of why your school exists or why you offer these courses. You can also talk briefly about your experience. For the sake of exercise, I'll make up my experience in meditation. However, in this section, you should include what field you are an expert in. Then, when you're done, you can add more blocks and customize them as you wish. Let's publish our changes and preview the homepage. This is a good start, and remember, you can change it later. Now, I can show you a version of my Teachable School homepage. Here you can see what is the school about, some of my courses, a video with some more details, what's included in some of my courses, some benefits, and that's pretty much it. Now, for your assignment, go inside your Teachable account and customize your school homepage. It doesn't have to be the final version. The main outcome of this lesson and exercise is for you to know how to edit and customize your Teachable School homepage. If you feel stuck, watch the video again and customize the page as you wish. One key point here I will add, here I use photos from Teachable, but for your own school, when you will decide which platform to choose for your school, be sure that the images you are using are free to choose. in order to avoid copyright claims. I strongly advise you to use photos made by you, but you can use other photos that you are absolutely sure you can use for free, or some images that you bought. After you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.